Okay, so what's happening today? What we're going to learn is how to make the Canada flag. So first of all, as you can see, we have a big white rectangle, bigger than the other two red rectangles, and this white rectangle is big. It's pretty much like a sword, but it's a rectangle. Here we have our vertical red vertical rectangle, and on the other side we have our another red vertical rectangle, and these two red vertical rectangles are the same. We also have our maple leaf, so we need to use the coordinate for that. So guys, I couldn't make it, so my teacher gave me the code and I copied it. So we need to find the coordinate of this point, 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 and then yeah, just that much. And that's how long the coordinates are to just make this maple leaf. Okay, so I couldn't make it, but I could at least make the rectangles for the Canadian flag. So what we do is define red. Oh, sorry, it's supposed to be EF. Yes. Now what we do is color all. Color, comma, X, comma, Y, comma, width, comma, height. Yeah. Okay? Then turtle dot, oh, hang up. Then turtle dot go to X, comma, Y, X, comma, Y. Then what we do is turtle dot pin down. So we can copy the third line. Now here we can write pen down. Then we do turtle dot color, color, oh, color. Then turtle dot begin fill. Then what we finally do is for oh, and guys, we also want to make the background gray, so screen equals to turtle dot screen sorry. And then what we do is screen dot bg color is silver. Okay, then we'll back to what I was saying for I in range 2. Now we do is turtle dot fd width. So there's width turtle dot rt 90. And then same thing, so you can copy it. Control C, Control V, turtle dot ft height. Then what we do is then again turtle dot rt 90. We go outside of our I loop and do turtle dot end underscore fill end underscore fill. Then what we do is now call our function, right? Call our function. So rec colors red, comma coordinate minus 180, comma 120, comma 70, comma to 220. Then we can copy it. Control C. Yeah. So guys, so this first rectangle here is going to print out our first red rectangle over here. Then it's the big white rectangle. It looks like a square, but don't mind. It's pretty much like a square. So the coordinate for that minus 110, comma 120, the width will be like way bigger than the thing. 220, exactly. And then Control V. So what we now do is now this will make our second vertical red rectangle, and on line 17 it makes our big white rectangle. So then the coordinate for that would be 110, comma 120, and the width and height are the same thing. So now if we run it, and also we want to take away the pen, so we do t.ht, but we can do that at the end. Fills in the color, right guys? And then as you can see, it doesn't make our Canada flag, but without the maple leaf. Now guys, I have the code here for the maple leaf. I couldn't do it as I said, it would be tricky. Plus there's a lot of coordinate, takes too much time. And also I have the message for this. So this program is the maple leaf. So up to here is our maple leaf. Okay, and message 2. So we'll do the message later. Okay, this is like kind of advanced thing, but it's accepted in Turtle. It's like we have to learn it in Turtle for sure. Yes, and guys, it makes our maple leaf. Now, on the top, you saw a message, right? On the desired output. So here I want to write Canadian flag in bold. So up to from line 55 to 62, we write our now message, okay, which is Canadian flag, and the color is white, okay, and the color is white, right guys? And also our colors, and yeah, and as you can see, it writes the Canadian flag. Oh yeah, okay, and it writes the Canadian flag. So our message is Canadian flag, okay? So that's enough for today, and thank everyone for listening about how to make the Canadian flag. I hope you like it, and bye.